Hi there, it's time for another quant lesson. You have some given information on your screen about three unknowns A, C and F. Read that information and tell me all that you can infer about A. Pause the video, try this. Alright, I hope you tried. So my first question was open-ended. Tell me all you can tell about A. But now let me ask a straight question. Is A equal to 1? If you say yes to this, then you're wrong. Based on all of your analysis, if this is what you came to, you've missed a very important skill. I'll come there. But if your answer is a maybe, then you're right. Let me explain how. So the starting equation is CA equal to F. Now you know C and F are equal. So the right hand side, you can replace F by C only. Now this is where a lot of you would have the urge to cancel out C. But that's where you will go wrong. You can only do that if C is non-zero. In this case, yes, you can cancel C on both sides and you will get A equal to 1. But if C is 0, which is also a possibility, nowhere in the question did it say that C is non-zero or just positive or just negative. Never make those assumptions and consider all cases. If C is 0, then this equation really is saying 0 equal to 0. That's obvious. Does A have anything to do here? Is there a specific value of A that will make 0 equal to 0? No. That means A here can be anything. So if somebody says, does A have to be 1? No, I don't know. It can be 1. According to the first case, yes, it's 1. But in the second case you saw, it can be anything. This skill where you don't just stop with one case, this when you apply all cases. So you consider all cases so that you don't just make one assumption, stick with it and fall in a trap that exam lays for you. Let me show you a hard question. This is a question from OG Advanced. It's 700 level. Pause the video, try this and you will see the application of what I taught you. Okay, I hope you tried. Now here is the complete solution to this. The link to this entire video solution is in the comment section. But listen carefully. The cases that we talked about, the situation that we dealt with, it exactly comes into play here in statement 2. If somebody only took A equal to 1, they would think statement 2 is sufficient. They would mark B because A was already rejected. Statement 1 was rejected. But since we have a second case, statement 2 is actually insufficient. So it's the difference between correct answer and incorrect answer. That's the power of missing one case. That's what it can do to your solutions. So don't do that. Be very, very careful. Watch the solution in detail. Right now, let me give you your takeaways. So every time that you have an identical variable on two sides of an equation, don't just cancel it. Consider both cases, one where that variable is 0, one where it is not 0. Work on both of them. Now this skill is super critical. You saw how a very hard question was hard because of one skill. So many people fell into the same trap. If all of them could correct themselves, this question would have a much better accuracy. And you now will never fall into this trap. All the best. Happy learning.